I'm here in EPCOT and today we're gonna do a coffee crawl. Now what is a coffee crawl? You're probably wondering. So for every EPCOT festival, Joffreys will come out with specialty new drinks such as fun coffees, teas, or refreshers. And those are always my favorite things to try for the festivals. And now that we're currently in the EPCOT International Food and Wine Festival, we're gonna go around and try all the fun new drinks. There are 4 places that we are going to go today to try. But for an even extra added layer of fun, it is about to storm. But not only that, the forecast says that it's going to rain like all day. So today's challenge is, can we make it to each Joffrey's booth without getting soaked? I sure hope so. So without further ado, let's go embark on the Food and Wine Coffee Crawl. Okay, but actually before we go, I want to show you guys my outfit really quick. My hat is from Disney. This is my first time wearing it, so I'm not really sure if we're vibing with it or not. And then my workout dress is from Abercrombie. My tote is from Thread Wallets. And then my socks have Mickey Mouses on them from Disney as well. And then my jewelry is from Pura Vida. All right, now let's go. Is the Joffrey's right by Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. So let's go. Hi, could I do the nitro dreams, please? Here we have the first drink of the day. This is from the Joffrey's right by Guardians of the Galaxy, and this drink is called the Nitro Dreams. This drink is made with the Joffrey's Shaken Jamaican Nitro Cold Brew along with Irish cream, half and half, and whipped cream. So, let's try it. Oh my gosh, it's a snail. You know, I won't lie to you guys, this is not my favorite. I don't think I like Irish cream, especially not in my coffee. It looked really, really cute though. The presentation was very cute, but I'm gonna give it like a 5 out of 10. It's good, I'll drink it. I think this is gonna give me a lot of energy, but it's not my favorite. But if you like Irish cream, then oh, you're going to love this. It is thundering like crazy right now. It's totally about to storm within the next I give it like 5 minutes. We need to go find some shelter, I think. I think I found a good way to avoid the rain. Let's go save the galaxy. We also are on a mission to finish this coffee before we ride. We're about halfway there.
Cannot wait to get to go back and ride Horizons. Also want to see the energy, dinosaurs, and of course, here's the veggie fruit.
Welcome, EPCOT Terrans.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our cosmic generator has been stolen.
What? How? Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man.
Okay, I walked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Rex.
Good luck. No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing. I think we jump back.
Oh, Christ. That's the DJ?
The Big Bang.
I've seen bigger.
Okay guys, I'm not crying, but every time I go on Guardians of the Galaxy, tears just always come out of my eyes. I had to make sure we're good. Okay, so the song we got was Everybody Wants to Rule the World. I was really trying to manifest Disco Inferno because that's the one song I haven't gotten, but right before we took off, in my mind, I was like, you know, I wouldn't mind Everybody Wants to Rule the World. And that's what we got. That was a fun pit stop from our little coffee crawl, but now it's time to get on to our second location. So the next Joffrey's we're gonna go to is the one by the entrance to the World Showcase close to Mexico. So let's head over there and get some more caffeine. I wasn't able to finish all of my first coffee, but I'd say I finished like 3/4. Actually, I can kind of feel the caffeine kicking in right now. So I just found the best spot ever. I think this is kind of like the EPCOT stage in the entrance of the World Showcase, but it's not blocked off. I feel like I'm not allowed to be here, but it was open. We have a lovely little view of, does this have a name? The lake. The World Showcase Lake. I'm sure there's a cute name for it. We have a cute little area to try our Castaway cold brew. This cold brew looks really similar to the last one, but this one it's also made with the shaken Jamaican nitro cold brew, but it's just that and sweet cream. So there's not a ton of cream in this one, which I honestly might like better. All right, let's try it. That is just straight up cold brew. Oh no. That is just cold brew. I need to be honest with you guys, I need to come clean. I've actually had this drink before. I had it on the first day of the festival. That was the only drink that I tried. And it was really good that day. This is not the same drink. I'm sure I could go back and ask them to remake it, but I don't really want to bother them. So this one gets a 0 out of 10. Or no, this one gets like a 1 out of 10. No, a 0 out of 10. On to the next stop. Okay, I found the next Joffrey's and I maybe had like 2 sips of this, so I'm gonna have 1 more sip. Make it somewhat worth my money, but I just can't finish this. I'm so sorry, Joffrey. Alright, we've got our 3rd drink of the day called the Mocha Madness. Now this is a sweet frozen cappuccino blended with chocolate syrup. Alright, let's try it. Oh, that's incredible. That's great. That gets a 9 out of 10 for me. So right now we're in Italy, right next to America. Turns out Joey Fatone and Friends is the artist tonight. So the show's at 5:30. That's in about 15 minutes. I'm pretty sure I could probably go snag a spot. It's really not that crowded. So I was thinking, while we drink our little frappuccino, let's go watch Joey Fatone and Friends.
Joey Fatone and Friends.
Are you guys ready to play? A physical, chemical, kryptonite. Help us in the face, in the face.
Huge Disney fan, of course. I live in Orlando, pretty much, I could say I'm pretty much raised in Orlando, Florida. I'm from Brooklyn, New York. I know it like the back of my hand. If you guys want to know where the bathrooms are, right out there on either side for you guys right there. If you want to know where the ball is, right behind me, over there. Anyway, so I love Disney movies, I love Disney stuff, so I'm gonna play a little bit of song with a little bit of twist. Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl raising me shade of a Georgia pine? Do what we like.
That was incredible. incredible. Joey Fatone was so good, and he also brought out some other people too, one of which sang a Broadway song. She sang Defying Gravity from Wicked, and oh my gosh, it was all so good. I was literally sitting there right before she came out thinking about how I miss Festival of the Arts and the Disney on Broadway series. Then she came out and sang a Broadway song, and she absolutely killed it. Okay, the music is getting a little loud. We're currently in France right now. It actually ended up being a beautiful day. It has not rained at all, so I guess we won our little challenge. It is 6:13, and we've got one more stop to make, and that is the Joffreys. I guess, where is it? It's in between Canada and the UK, in that weird space that, yeah, I don't think it really has a country name. In Canada, we'll call it Canada. So that's our last stop. I have no idea what the drink there is, but I'm very excited. So let's go head over there. I made a little pit stop in the France bathroom, and then I got my Be Real notification. So I actually got a pretty good Be Real today. All right, let's go. Okay guys, we've got the last one. This is called the Arctic Sunrise, which is a cool citrus treat featuring passion fruit over ice and coconut syrup. I asked them if this had caffeine in it, and they said no. That might be for the best because I just had 3 caffeinated drinks, although I didn't really drink all of them in full. So this is a nice, cool, and refreshing way to end our little coffee crawl. Okay, let's try it. I don't know how I feel about that. You know, it's not terrible, but the coconut with the passion, like, I don't know. I don't know that I'd get this again. That's just a strange combination. Like passion fruit and coconut, because you can really taste both. I feel like if this was just passion fruit, it'd be really yummy. It'd be kind of boring, but it'd be yummy. I give that one a 4 out of 10. It's like a really cute color and would make for a super cute picture, and it's very refreshing, but the taste, I'm just not loving it, unfortunately. So to rank all of them, we had the Nitro Dreams, we had the Castaway Cold Brew, we had Mocha Madness, and the Arctic Sunrise. My favorite today, it's gotta be the Mocha Madness. I'm not really a Frappuccino person, but that one gets number 1. Number 2 goes to Nitro Dreams. It wasn't my favorite, but I did really enjoy it. And it gave me a good caffeine buzz. Number 3 goes to Arctic Sunrise, and number 4 goes to Castaway Cold Brew. If that one was made correctly, if the one I got was made wrong, that one would probably rank number 1. What a day. Before I go, there's one more stop that I need to hit. So I wanted to go in Creations to look for a keychain because this tote bag has a little ring for a keychain. I didn't really find anything I liked in there. I don't know what I was imagining. I really wanted like a little Remy keychain or something for Food and Wine, which I didn't find. I'm still gonna keep a lookout for it, but I did find a keychain that I thought was really fitting for today. I kind of wish that I had bought it before. It's a little Minnie Mouse, and she's wearing the outfit that I guess inspired this hat. I thought this was a Daisy hat. Now I feel kind of dumb because this is definitely a Minnie Mouse hat from this look, like with the little flower. I really liked how this keychain looked on the tote bag. So when I get home, I'm gonna add this to my little, oops, I'm gonna add this to my tote bag, and that'll just be a cute little keychain that I keep on it. I'm enjoying Food and Wine so far, but truly no festival for me will ever top Festival of the Arts. They just had the best drinks, the best food, the best entertainment, the best activities. I'm such a Festival of the Arts girl. We have one more festival this year before Festival of the Arts comes back. So I think I'm gonna do a coffee crawl for each festival so I can actually try all the fun drinks, even if they're not my favorite. I hope you guys had so much fun hanging out with me. If you end up trying these drinks, let me know which one is your favorite. Hopefully, if you try the Castaway cold brew, yours tastes a little bit better than mine. Also, just a disclaimer, I do have a bit of a caffeine headache. I don't think I drink enough water. Make sure you guys, when you're going to the parks, you're drinking water, you're eating food when you're hungry, you're taking breaks, you're going in the AC. Like, all of that is so important. So I'm gonna chug some water. Subscribe if you guys want to keep up with my park adventures, and feel free to come follow me on Instagram or TikTok at EmilyNels8. I post a ton over there, and I will see you guys in the next vlog, which may or may not be a spooky vlog.